I don't think many people realize what a big deal subtraction and regrouping is until you encounter students who don't understand place value, because explaining that place value becomes difficult when they don't have that concept. For example, we're used to simply writing this vertically and using the algorithm, but they don't always know what quote unquote borrowing means, and that's not the best terminology, so we want to use the phrase regroup because that's what it means. In terms of your gizmo and the holds, the crates, and the barrels, this is what it would look like in expanded form. It would be 100, these were individual barrels, 100 barrels plus 30 barrels plus 2 barrels, and you're going to remove 40 and 5. That's what that would look like in expanded form. And then you would have to renegotiate how many is in each one of those containers. And that would also get confusing. So let's look at it from the standpoint of what regrouping means. 132 remove 45. Well, think about it in terms of the holds, the crates, and the barrels. If I have 2 barrels, 2 single barrels, and I'm trying to remove 5, we can't physically do that, so we have to go over to where the crates were. 3 crates doesn't imply 3, it implies 30. There are 30 barrels there. So when I open up that crate, I have to take out a crate. That leaves me 2 crates. But how many am I transferring to the singletons? I'm transferring a total of 10, which is why this number becomes 12. So now 12 barrels, removing 5, leaves us with 7. I have 2 crates, 20 barrels. I'm trying to remove 40 barrels, and I can't physically do that. So we go over to the hundreds place, and in our model, that's called a hold. And we can physically use the base 10 blocks as well. So I have to break up that hold. And so when I put it over here, that's 10 crates I'm moving, which makes that 10 crates. We'll turn that into 12 crates because I'm bringing 10 crates over. And you can model that with them to show them why this is the way it is. 12 minus 4, 12 crates, which is really 120 barrels, take away 4, is 8. Now how can they check that to make sure 87 is the appropriate answer? Constantly remind them of their fact families. But you can use the gizmo, you can use the base 10 blocks, and help model the algorithm, and you're well on your way. And when I send you the email, I'm gonna ask what additional questions can you constantly ask them so they're making those connections instead of just considering the gizmo as a game. But great job, I think they're on their way.